Now we're starting our ninth question of 6.3 exercise. In the ninth question they have told find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the number 4, 9 and 10. So here they have told we have to find the smallest square number that is divisible with the 4, 9 and 10. So we are having this 4, 9 and 10. So here we have to find one square number that it must be divisible with the 4, 9 and 10. So whenever this question it is coming, that find the smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. For that we will find the LCM. So here we will find the smallest number divisible by 4, 9 and 10. So find the smallest divisible number. For that we have to find, we need to find the LCM. So what we will do, we will find the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. So here we will find the LCM 4, 9 and 10. So here 4, 9 and 10 we will find the LCM. So it will with the 2 times, this we cannot divide with the 2 and it will 5 times. Again with the 2, 1, 9, 5. Now with the 3, so 1, 3, 5. Again with the 3, 1, 1, 5. Now with the 5, so 1, 1 and 1. So this is the LCM. So here we will write the LCM. So LCM of 4, 9 and 10 equals to how much? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. So this we will multiply. So 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 2, 18 and 5 into 2, 10. So it will come how much? 180. So this, now you can see this 180 is divisible with the 4. So we will divide 180 with the 4. It will go how many times? 45 times. Now we will divide 180 with the 9. It will divide how many times? 20 times. When we will divide 180 by 10, it will cancel how many times? 18 times. So here they have told in the question that find the smallest number which must be divisible by the 4, 9 and 10. For that, remember, anytime we have to find like this number, we have to find the LCM of that number. And what the LCM will come? That number will be divisible with the 4, 9 and 10. So this is the number which is divisible with the 4, 9 and 10. Now, but here they have told you have to find the smallest square number. So if here we are making the pair, what is happening? We will find the prime factor of 180. What will come? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. No need to find once more because this only we have multiplied. It is came 180, so it will come the same. Here we are making the pair. So what we are seeing that 5 is remain the single. We are making the pair, so it is making the pair of 2 and 3. But 5 remains the single, which is not making a pair. But we need a square number, and for a square number we are having the condition that also make a pair. But here we are saying 5 is not making a pair. So if it is not making a pair, so what we have to do? We have to multiply with the 5 so that it can make a pair. So here 5 is not making a pair, so we have to multiply by 5. So here we have to multiply with the 5, and when we will multiply with the 5, what will happen? That 180 into 5, and here also we multiply with the 5. Now we can see it is making a pair. So what it is happening? It is making a pair, and when we will multiply, so 180 into 5, what will come? It will come the 900. So the smallest square number is smallest square number equal how much? This 180 into 5. So what will come? 900. So this 900 is the square. This 900 is the smallest square number which can be divided with the 4, 9 and 10. If you want to check, you can check here. 900 divided by 4, 900 divided by 9 and 900 divided by 10. Here it will cancel. So what will come? 90. Here it will cancel how many times? 100 times. This will cancel how many times? 2 times. 1 is remain 10. 2 times and 5 times. So this is, we can see all are dividing with the 4, 9 and 10, this 900. So this is our answer. So you have to remember here, whenever they are asking the smallest division number, what we have to do? We have to find their LCM. After finding the LCM, we will make the pair because we have to find the square number. So we have to make the pair. But here we are saying 5 is single. So with the 5 we will multiply. So with the 5 we have multiplied here also, and here also we have to multiply with the 5. It is making a pair. Now it is making a pair. It means what? This is the smallest square number. So here you remember, they haven't asked the square root, they have asked the square number. So this is our square number. So that we have written, or you can multiply this one. Then also it will come the 900. And question number 10 is homework for you. So question number 10 is homework.